I just got this package in the mail from Japan, and I want to do a shout out to put her info in the description, but I love how this is packaged. Such cute budgie stamps and bird stamps. These are little white Java rice finches, and then look at these budgies kissing. It's so cool that she put all this extra stuff on here. Well, the stamps are for mailing, made it, but it's just cool that, and these little chick tape. Alright, and then then we got this. Look at this little Java rice finch tape, and then assorted birds. That one looks like a budgie. And then parrots and finches, a cockatoo is so cute. Oh my gosh, all these were little extras. Here's all these budgies, and this is awesome. This was me today. Bullet landed on my head while I was eating. Oh, that's awesome. Perfect. Alright, now let's see what we got inside that I actually ordered. Oops. Get this real quick. Hold on, in case there's any. It's May 18th, dear Des. I hope you will love these birdies. Yay! So that's the business card. This is a budgie patch. I might put this on my travel backpack. It's awesome. I found out that there's a blue one, so I'm gonna be back to her store and gonna buy the blue one. Now, oh, these are all taped. Give me a moment. I hate to cut this. I hate to cut these, but so we got some itty bitty budgie and flower and cockatiel stickers. And those of you that have seen my laptop are familiar with these because I've had a set of these before. Just a variety of budgies and cockatiels. Cannot have enough of these. And then this is a really pretty set. So yeah, so here's the haul. Thank you so much. I'll definitely be back.
What did you think, Bullet? Yes. Yes, what about this one? Looks like you, except it's yellow. Nope. Bullet. What do you think of this, Bullet? Do you like that one, Bullet?